Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the DoorDash app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your password on the DoorDash app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the DoorDash app. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and click on Settings on the top-hand side. Then scroll down and click on Manage Account. Then click on Change Your Password. So this is where you can enter your old password and then enter a new password and then confirm your new password. And then click on Change My Password. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your password on the DoorDash app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.